What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. I have another product review video for you today, folks. This is the HOROW Bidet toilet. This is their model N30. In the box, weighs 97 pounds, so you're going to need two people to help you maneuver this around your home and into the work site, the bathroom. This is going to be the second toilet that we worked on. If you remember the first HOROW toilet we installed, we put it in Daniel's home, in his bathroom, last year, the year before last. It's a great toilet, but that toilet requires power. This one doesn't, and that's what makes this one that much different, because it's battery operated. Are you ready for a crazy video on a bidet toilet? Let's go. Are you guys ready for the grand reveal? Come on. Ah! Voila! Wow, that thing looks sexy. It ain't plastic, folks. So you can't call it Chinesium. It's porcelain god. Take a look at this bad boy. This actually looks pretty cool. We have a little adjustment button here on the side, or knob. Wow, pretty cool. James, this is very unique. This is called a smart water flow detection bag.
Never seen something like that before.
I've never seen anything like this before. It says, please use this bag to cover the water outlet of the angle valve. Open the angle to the maximum for 15 seconds. If the water output reaches 1.32 gallon or more, a tankless smart toilet can be installed. So I guess if you could fill this 1.3 gallons per minute in less than a minute. Oh, open this. This makes no sense.
Wants you to determine flow that you have the proper.
I get it, but it's saying for the maximum of 15 seconds. So 15 seconds doesn't equal 1.32 gallons, but I guess it... Okay. You know what? We'll figure that out at the install site. But it does look pretty cool. You guys ready? Let's get this thing installed. So you may be wondering, folks, if you don't need power, what powers it? Well, I kind of mentioned that before, but we've got a battery compartment. And if you open this up, 2 AA batteries go in here. You just need a Phillips screwdriver, and they give you Changhong batteries. Look at that. I like that little spring on the door right there. So as described, this is the model N30. We have a gallons per flush of 1.22 with a voltage of 6 volts DC, rated power of 2.4 watts, and inlet pressure 35 to 108 PSI. I can't wait to install this. This thing looks beautiful. Folks, one thing that's different about this toilet is that it's a tankless design. And unlike a conventional gravity tank toilet, this model relies on your home's incoming water pressure for its flushing performance. Before I install it, I always verify the water pressure meets the manufacturer's minimum requirements. If it passes the test, you can be confident the toilet will flush properly without any performance issues.
So we got the wax in, T for the water line, which I have just enough clearance for the two hoses in the back. So let's get this thing in place. There's really no good way of grabbing it. Not these. I don't think it's these ones either. It might be these ones. But this gets sent in from the side. Yep. Okay, perfect. Before we do that, let's hook up our water supply lines.
The HOROW N30 has a clean, modern one-piece design, and the fact that it delivers a bidet experience without requiring an electrical outlet makes it a unique option for older homes, remodels, rentals, or anywhere running a new circuit just isn't practical. Installation was straightforward for any experienced plumber, and the finished product looks fantastic. So if you're considering upgrading your bathroom, I'll leave a link for the HOROW N30 down in the description box, and you can check it out for yourself. My favorite part, the dual flush feature delivers a powerful and efficient flush, quickly removing waste and water while preventing lingering odors, ensuring a consistently fresh and clean bowl. It has a postural wash and feminine wash with adjustable water pressure, delivering a clean, comfortable rinse every time. Now that it's installed and I've had a chance to look it over, here's my honest opinion. The HOROW N30 gives you a modern, smart toilet look and a clean, one-piece design without needing an electrician or a dedicated receptacle. Imagine if I didn't have this here. The toilet that used to be here, that Kohler with the Toto bidet seat, if this outlet wasn't here, I would need to bring an electrician, or I couldn't install that. But this toilet is perfect for older homes, remodels, or bathrooms where adding that power is difficult or expensive. And that's a big advantage with the HOROW N30.